watch that you do not immediately react or try to deny or overcome or resist error or fight or battle, but in the presence of any phase of error or an appearance of error, be quiet, resist not, and listen for the unfoldment or revelation of truth to come through to replace the erroneous appearance. The Master said, I can of my own self do nothing. For my thoughts are not your thoughts, neither are my ways your ways. Human thought is not power, even when it is good. In the presence of any erroneous situation, practice to do no thinking or judging, but do a great deal of listening and observation. Take the listening, receptive attitude. When we come to this place in thought, where we do not start denying the shadow, but where we know the unreality of its forms, whether they be making mistakes, disease, death, lack, or limitation, and know that they, in and of themselves, have no power or law to sustain them and can do nothing to anybody except in the degree of our response to them. Then we have come to the Christ consciousness or spirit consciousness in our soul faculties. Regardless of what my needs may be in life, whether it be for more dollars, a taxi, an Uber, a house, a wife or a husband, a companionship, health, opportunity, business, or an employer or employee, it is the Christ consciousness that will produce it. The Christ is omnipresent, but it is the degree of my conscious awareness of the Christ that will provide for the need to be met. The degree of my consciousness of the presence of God the Creator will appear as whatever thing or person is necessary in my experience.